Hello beautiful people. This one has been in the family for over 50 years. Edna was a serious fashion designer, and anyone with an eye for fashion is going to fall in love with 2 Club Court, Dingley Village. Let's come and take a look. Just so much to fall in love with. 180-degree views, streaming natural light, and endless character and good energy, and not to mention the handcrafted light switches. As you can see, it's the perfect design and floor plan. All the bedrooms oversized, a supersized laundry, private backyard in the best lifestyle location. Can't wait to share this with you at the next Open for Inspection.